Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a wig review. This wig is from CurlsCurls. So opening the package, the first thing I see is a mask. Girl, a mask is hard to come by, so I do appreciate this. I appreciate this. This is really nice. So it also came with some hand wipes, and it's a few in here. It's like 8. It's at least 8 or 10 in here. And it also comes with the little pamphlet, and it tells you all about the hair, any questions, comments, or concerns, how to handle the hair, how to take care of the hair, how to wash the hair, anything about the hair that you want to know, if you can color it, put heat on it. Everything is going to be in this pamphlet. And of course, the wig. So I'm just gonna open it up. I'm really excited about this wig. So when you take the wig out of the bag, it also comes with extra clips, extra combs, and an adjustable strap. And then it also comes with 2 wig caps. I love this texture so much. It's like a thick, yucky texture, but this wig is so lightweight. It's literally like a feather, and it's not bulky at all. It feels so good, and I'm just running my fingers through it. No tangles. I'm not getting any tangles at all. There is nothing on my fingers except for some ash because I need to put some lotion on. But that is it. All right, y'all. So let's get into the specs about this wig. There are 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back. It also has the straps that come on the wig. And then it has this lace right here. And this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna try it on just to see how it feels on my head. So another thing that I love about CurlsCurls wigs is that they are super beginner friendly. So no glue is needed. You don't need to do any extra customization, and it's 100% human hair. So when you get your wig, there are 3 wig caps that you can choose from. So make sure you choose the right one. You can do a lace closure, a lace front, or a full lace wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace off, and then I'm just going to go ahead and straighten it, and I'll be right back with y'all. So I know that y'all were probably looking at the title of my video, like, what is Factory Direct? So basically, CurlsCurls is a factory store that provides high quality hair at a really affordable price because they do direct sales to customers. So it's no middleman, no distributors. It's directly them to the customers. All right, y'all. So I just wanted to show you the difference. So I only passed through 1 time because I still wanted like that yucky texture, but it's, love this wig so much. And I'm not even done. It's so soft, y'all. This wig is so soft, and I'm still running my fingers through it, and still no shedding. After I done straightened this whole side, still no shedding. It looks good. So like I said, you can wear it either way. If you wanted to wear it like this in its natural state, you can, or if you want to straighten it, you can. But this does hold heat well. But this wig, y'all, this texture is so beautiful. It's so soft, lightweight, no tangles, no shedding. Ugh, love it. So you absolutely do not have to do this. I just wanted my part just a smidget darker. So I just put a little bit of powder on it, but that is it. That is it. So I actually did try to cut layers into it and try to curl it, but I am like the worst curler in the world. So that's why my curls is looking kind of crazy right now. But I just wanted y'all to see what it looks like. Usually with my edges, I do my own edges because I'm just really not good at doing edges on a wig and making it look like it's my edges. I can't. I'm not good at it. I can't do it. So I just did my edges, but I wanted y'all to see the actual end final result of what it looks like. But at the end of the video, you can also wear your hair like that as well, which I liked it like that as well. But I wanted y'all to see what it looked like this. I actually straightened it a little bit more and I did 2 passes this time. So it's a little bit straighter, which I like it like this, but I also love the way that I have it at the end of the video. So I just wanted y'all to see both sides. This hair is from CurlsCurls, of course. Y'all know how much I love CurlsCurls and how I feel about them. I just wore their clip-ins earlier today. So if you don't have their clip-ins or their wigs, what are you doing? So I will go ahead and leave all of their information down below in my description box. I also have a coupon code for you guys, so make sure you use it when you get some hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that button.